My name's Amanda Slattery and I'm Development Manager for Ballyhoura Development. The area is synonymous with tourism, and Ballyhoura Country is the area that we refer to of North Cork and South East Limerick. We also have a very rich agricultural landscape, and from that we've got so many local food producers, from Ballyhoura apple farm to cheeses, to goat's cheese, to beers, to local craft beers, and that is all synonymous with a very rich, very unspoiled landscape in the area that we call Ballyhoura Country.
I'm Maurice Gilbert from Ballyhoura Apple Farm. Well, I suppose we started a number of years ago with just pure apple juice, and we have developed a range of between juices, syrups and vinegars that we supply nationwide at the moment. From our premises in Kilfinnan, we produce our vinegars, we do our distribution, and we also have a facility for welcoming guests. And we have a nice barbecue area for the fine sunny evenings where we combine local products with our own juice. We're all from the area, and we pride ourselves in using all local products.
Hi, I'm Pauline Walsh from Tiggy and Honey. I'm based in Knockdown, County Limerick. I set up my honey business in the last 12 months, having been studying and working with bees for 5 years. And without the bees, we wouldn't have any of the things we like, any fruits, vegetables that they pollinate. There are some things that would be wind pollinated, which would be mainly grain. We'd be on a diet of water and grain if we didn't have bees.
My name is Norma Kelly and I'm the owner of Praline Pastry Shop and Cafe. We're based in Mitchelstown on Cork. So we make everything from scratch in our little shop. We set up the shop nearly 2 years ago now. It was a long process, but it was an exciting process because I've always wanted to own a pastry shop. Ballyhoura is it's great for getting people together, and there's lots of suppliers and other businesses that you mightn't even know anything about, and when you get involved with something like Ballyhoura, you get to meet all these other people and we get to collaborate.
Hi, I'm Jim Lynch. I'm part of JJ's.
I'm John. I'm also part of JJ's Brewing Company.
We're based out in Kilmallock there, and we have a small tap room to go with our craft brewery. We do some tours to give you a look at the tour brewery itself, explain how this process goes, and then we have a nice little tasting then in the bar.
I suppose we're trying new products at all times.
Hey, how's it going? My name is George Casey. I'm executive chef and owner of George Casey Catering. We are a gourmet, high-end catering business. Our main hub is in Limerick area. I've been asked to help promote the lovely produce that Ballyhoura are trying to bring along. You know, there's some great produce, farm to plate. It's just wonderful for a chef like me. It doesn't really take much effort to think of a new dish or get any inspiration with the wonderful produce in the area.
So what's special about Ballyhoura Country is that you can experience Ireland in a nutshell in this region.